Hi, my name is Enrique from Miami Beach Iyengar Yoga Center, and today I'm going to explain how to fill a yoga sandbag. So the yoga sandbags you can get online. They come in two parts, the part that has the sand, and then it comes in here to this bag that has a handle. So I already put one inside. You'll also need a scale because we place usually 10 or 8 pound bags. There's the sand that I dried out in the sun because the 50-pound bag usually is moist. It really needs to be dry. A pitcher and a funnel. So I pre-weighed the sand, and how I did that is I weighed myself, saw what I weighed, and then you hold and you put either 8 or 10 pounds. Okay? So we'll begin. So first, the pitcher, and you put the sand inside. So I pre-measured the sand for time purposes for this video, but you might have to add a little bit, take a little bit out. So I'll do a little bit at a time. The funnel goes inside so you don't make a mess on placing the sand inside. So I'm not going to do the all 8 or 10 pounds today, but I'll just do enough for you to get the idea. And it's easier to put part of the bag inside the outside bag because it's hard to fit in once that first bag is full. You see, then you shake it a little bit as it comes down. Oops, some came out. And then you continue to fill one more time, and then this is not the 10 pounds, but I just wanted to do this video for you to get the idea. And I can start to feel the weight inside. So that comes in. I'm still holding the black bag on the inside. Then everything is out of the funnel. Put the funnel back. Zip the internal bag, place it in, then the external. And again, I said that I haven't filled it up because it's time consuming for this video, but you get the general idea of how to fill. Now, once again, you could order online with sand, which costs much more because of shipping. So this is how you do when getting and purchasing a sandbag, yoga sandbag. Thank you very much. Have a good day.